Hi everybody, Janine here once again from Stepping Stones Professional Development, coming out of Newcastle, New South Wales. I would like to pay my respects to the traditional landowners, the Awabakal people, on the country that which I gather on today. I want to pay my respects to elders past, present, and emerging, and I want to celebrate the gift that they have given us through their culture, mark making, the rock art, how they express, how they storytell through mark making, because it is a gift. And if we can embrace it and understand the importance of storytelling, the importance of mark making, and all that it does for children, from cognitive development to being able to engage in sensory processing, to engage in physical development. Mark making is so important, and it links back to theoretical perspectives like Bruner, like Vygotsky, like Piaget. So many of our theorists talk about in their studies the importance of mark making in those early years. Lowenfield, he comes down with the stages of scribble, pre-schematic, schematic in those early years, and then it goes on. His work started back in 1947 in the book Creative and Mental Growth. It talks about this cognitive and motor development. And then we've got Piaget doing the same thing, talking about the cognitive side of things. We've got Vygotsky who's talking about the social side of it, the emotional side of mark making. We've got Reggio Emilia who says that's communication. That's how children communicate. So all of these theoretical perspectives, and what's exciting is that we go into depth around these perspectives in our workshop around mark making. So it is an exciting time in early learning because we can start to see this interconnection, a connection from culture, physical development, cognitive development, emotional regulation, all of these things through mark making. So I really hope that we see more research being explored, more educators taking and advocating for mark making. Writing the child's name before they go to school is not as important as being able to hold a pencil, as being able to build that core development and sit in a chair. And we're going to talk about that in this workshop. So I hope to see you there at one of our mark making workshops. Reach out to Janine, myself, through our email, janine@steppingstonesprofessionaldevelopment.com. And I am happy to tweak the workshop specifically for your service or for your interest. But the most important thing is that we get more information behind us, and then we advocate more and more and more play-based learning, mark making, the process, not the product. And we look forward to seeing you join us more with Stepping Stones Professional Development. Have a great day, everyone.